A crucial phase of election is happening in Haryana, where voting across 90 constituencies began and is underway. The closely contested election will see more than 2 crore voters casting their ballots to choose 90 members for the State Assembly in a single phase poll. Now, the voter turnout recorded till 9 a.m. was around 9.53%. The election will decide the future of key political figures, including Chief Minister Naib Singh Saini, former Chief Minister Bhupinder Singh Hooda, Vinesh Fogart, JJP's Dushyant Chautala, along with 1,027 other candidates competing in the race. My colleague Deepak Budana has been, in fact, covering the elections right from the ground. Deepak, in fact, joins us from a location in Rohtak. Over to you, Deepak. How is the elections faring as of now? Looks like the turnover was a little slow in the morning, but it has picked up as of now. And what are the people saying?
Well, it most definitely has picked up. In the earlier part of the day, when we were in Rohtak, we were seeing a trickle of 2s and 3s, people who'd just come back from morning walks, who were, on their way to cast their votes. But over the course of the day, it's steadily picked up. Presently, we're in a small town called Meham, population some 82,000. This comes under Rohtak district. And here, it's very interesting. The reason we came here was that 20 years back, this very place was the scene of a horrible massacre when in some incidents of booth capturing, some 20 people were killed and I think a couple of score people were more injured. But this year there's a complete transformation. There is a sense of calm and peace, and everything is done with a lot of politeness and civility. We were greeted here by a number of people from the services, school teachers from the very institution where we are standing, and they actually explained to us, how things have changed. It's wonderful to realize that people in the innermost parts of India have realized that you and me may have political differences, but we're citizens of the same country and we are essentially doing the same thing by coming to cast our votes. So it's a wonderful transformation that this particular town has seen. There are about 15 candidates here. And so far it seems that the tide is turning towards the Congress, at least in Meham. Mr. Dangi, the candidate from here, the Congress candidate, seems to be a very popular choice. And the reason, unsurprisingly, is actually water. Earlier during our coverage in other parts of Haryana, we had figured out that water was one of the biggest problems faced by people in virtually every part of Haryana. Even here, entire populations are dependent on tankers for water and for agriculture even. So that is something that has actually convinced a lot of people to seek change. Will they get that change? We'll find out in a few days. Over to you, Varghese.
That aspect of change that we are talking about, now that's a big speculation. The BJP is now trying to have a hat trick of sorts, while the Congress wants to come back to power as soon as possible in Haryana. And of course, the people in Haryana have a whole list of issues, as you were saying, water when it comes to agricultural policies. But what is the primary issue that they are looking at? Is it an incumbency factor or is it an anti-incumbency factor that we are looking at?
हरियाणा में मतदान चल रहा है। रोहतक के सांगी गांव में इस वक्त हम मौजूद है, जहां से भूपिंदर सिंह हुड्डा वोट डालकर निकले हैं। हुड्डा साहब क्या कहेंगे? मतदान आपने किया है, फिजा कैसी दिख रही है आपको हरियाणा की?
फिजा कांग्रेस के पक्ष में लहर चल रही है। कांग्रेस आ रही है, भाजपा जा रही है।
सर, खट्टर साहब का कहना है कि बीजेपी तीसरी बार आ रही है। 9.5 साल सीएम रहे वो।
खट्टर 9.5 साल सीएम रहे। कहीं आप घूमे हो, कहीं पोस्टर में उनका फोटो दिखाई दिया?
और नायब सिंह सैनी कह रहे हैं हैट्रिक है हमारी बीजेपी की।
मैंने कहा ना, लोकसभा में होगी बीजेपी हाफ, विधानसभा में होगी साफ।
सीएम हुड्डा ही होंगे?
पार्टी फैसला करेगी।
सर, आखिरी सवाल सर, जेजेपी आईएनएलडी गोपाल कांडा, इनकी क्या भूमिका देखते हैं आप?
कुछ नहीं है, सीधा मुकाबला कांग्रेस और बीजेपी में है। वोट काट कोई वोट देने वाला नहीं है।
बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया। तो ये थे भूपिंदर हुड्डा, जिनका कहना है कि कांग्रेस और बीजेपी में मुकाबला है और कांग्रेस आ रही है, बीजेपी जा रही है।
My colleague Nivriti now in fact joins from Patel Nagar in Gurugram. Nivriti, how is it in Gurugram that people are seeing these entire nature of this elections? Because it looks like a lot of it is at stake for them as well. As Banana was saying when he was in Rohtak, the question of water has been a big factor in certain areas. So what is the feeling in Gurugram?
So Patel Nagar is a small area in Gurugram constituency, and we can see the voters are coming in consistently. They are coming in. I cannot say at this point of time that they are coming in large numbers, but yes, I can see voters coming in and out from every area where I went, and in Patel Nagar also you can see the voters are with us. And as far as you were talking about the issue of water, the same issue exists in Patel Nagar. While I was talking to the voters, they confirmed that this is the issue in this area as well. So let us talk to them. What are the issues that on which they are voting here in Gurugram constituency? Ma'am, आपका नाम बता दीजिए.
मीना गुप्ता.
वीना गुप्ता. वीना जी मीना जी इसी जगह पे यहीं रहते हो आप? तो क्या दिक्कत है आपको? क्या सोच के वोट करने आए हो कि भाई मैं वोट करूंगी अभी और मुझे चाहिए कि मेरे जो जीत के आए वो ये समस्या को सॉल्व करे?
देखो जो पटेल नगर में यह है, एक तो जैसे गुड़गांव में देखो गंदगी है जो वो बिल्कुल क्लियर होनी चाहिए. बहुत ज़्यादा गंदगी जो है सीवरेज सिस्टम जो है वो बिल्कुल ख़राब है. ड्रेनेज
जाम वाम में फंसे हैं आप?
हाँ जी, जाम भी बहुत लगता है. जाम भी काफ़ी.
कितना फंसे हैं? 24 घंटे फंसे हैं?
24 घंटे तो नहीं फंसे, खैर मेरा तो निकलना बाहर, लेकिन बच्चे जाते हैं ना तो वो काफ़ी परेशान हो जाते हैं.
तो आप अभी चाहते हो कि ये सारे सिविक इश्यूज सॉल्व होने चाहिए. तो आप बताइए, आपका नाम क्या है?
मेरा नाम शिवांगी है.
शिवांगी जी बताइए, क्या इश्यूज को लेकर आप वोट कर रहे हो? क्या है दिमाग में और क्या लगता है कौन जीतेगा?
मुझे तो लग रहा है कि बीजेपी जीतेगी, बट इट्स माय प्रेडिक्शन ओनली. मैं कंफर्मली नहीं बोल सकती हूँ. Yes.
So what are the issues that are on your mind while you vote?
What about मतलब like improvement? You are asking about the
क्या इम्प्रूवमेंट होना चाहिए?
इम्प्रूवमेंट में मैम एक्चुअली एक तो जो मेरी मदर ने अभी बोला, ट्रैफिक का प्रॉब्लम बहुत है. प्लस कुछ लाइक हमारी जो गली है उसके में मतलब कि गली में जो भी सड़क वड़क है उसका बहुत प्रॉब्लम लगता है मुझे. एंड गर्मियों में मुझे थोड़ा लाइट इलेक्ट्रिसिटी इश्यूज बहुत लगते हैं.
जी, पानी का इशू है सर यहाँ पे?
पानी का तो थोड़ा बहुत रहता ही है.
रहता है. कम आता है पानी?
टाइम पे आता है, कभी गंदा आता है.
गंदा पानी.
Ma'am, I just want to say that there should be the girls' safety first. So I just want to talk about the security of the ladies because this is the most important part which we are facing nowadays in our society. Recently we have seen the
You think Gurgaon is not safe for women?
old Gurgaon is safe, but yes, new Gurgaon is not safe, I can say. So every girl thinks that I should go outside after 10 or 11 p.m. at night or not. So the government should focus on that. That is the most important part of today's life.
So this is the issue for which you have.
Yes, so it can be for your wife, your mother, your sister, for every girl.
What do you think, who is going to win in this area?
The
You
person,
must have assessed the situation.
yeah, I have assessed, but I'll not say any name, but I'll say whosoever will win, he should work something like this.
आप बताइए
पटेल
सर,
नगर
आप
में
बताइए।
पानी की बहुत समस्या
मैडम
है।
यहाँ पानी की बहुत बड़ी समस्या है. आप कभी भी बारिश में आए, ज्योति हॉस्पिटल हमारे यहाँ पे जो ज्योति हॉस्पिटल है, सारा पटेल नगर का पानी और हाउसिंग बोर्ड का पानी ज्योति हॉस्पिटल पे इकट्ठा होता है. पिछली सरकार बीजेपी की थी, हमारे एमएलए सुधीर सिंगला जी थे, उनके पास अप्रोच करी हमारे हाउसिंग बोर्ड वालों ने, पटेल नगर वालों ने, बीजेपी से थे, उनके पास अप्रोच करी. उन्होंने एक ही बात कही कि 200 के 200 मकान हमारे हाउसिंग बोर्ड में जो 200 मकान है वो उन्होंने ये अपील करी कि 200 के 200 मकान ऊपर कर लो, पानी ऐसे ही रहेगा.
So civic issues, because it is an urban area, high-tech city, very beautiful city as well. But as far as the civic issues are concerned, Gurugram is the city which faces grave civic issues like waterlogging, traffic jam. All these issues are on the minds of people while they vote here. So this is it. Yes.
Well, thank you, Nivruti, as well as Deepak, for giving us the details and also giving us the latest updates from the areas from which you are, in fact, reporting on the Haryana elections.